All right, number 3, we're going to factor this. We have 49x squared minus 112x plus 64. Okay. They already started part of it for us, but we're going to just go through the process. Looking at each of these numbers, I don't think there's anything we can factor out. That's divisible by 7, but I don't believe this one or this one is. So we can't factor anything out, so we're just going to multiply leading coefficient times the constant, first and last number. Let me try to scale this down a little bit. It's kind of big. All right. So 49 times 64. 3136. A pretty big number. 3136. All right, we're looking for the factors of 3136. Y equal, clear. Divide by x and look at the table. So we want to add to get 112. So again, it's starting down from 22 because that's where I was with the last time I used it. That gives us 130. Probably end up in the same number. It gives us 113. 113, we want 112. 56 and 56, yep. So 56, 56. Now, one thing we can do with this calculator, if hadn't done it several times, in order to get it to start from the beginning, there's a couple things we can do, but one easy thing to do that will also clear everything else out is to reset the calculator so that it's second plus 712, and then just clears everything. So you can start from scratch. All right, so 56 and 56. I'm going to do 2 sets of parentheses. We're going to put 49x in the front of both. We're going to put 56 at the back. And the bigger number is negative, both the same, and then positive tells me they're the same sign. And then from here we're going to reduce. So we're going to divide both by 7. It's going to leave me with 7x minus 8. So that matches with what they gave us. Same thing over here, 7x minus 8. So again, we get a perfect square. I'll just write 7x minus 8 squared. Or just add the other one. I don't need the parenthesis, they already got one. All right, here we want to factor out the greatest common factor. So I'm looking at these two terms and trying to see what they have in common. That is 10y to the 4th plus 2y to the 2nd. Both of these numbers are divisible by 2, so I for sure can pull out a 2, and they both have y's. I can pull out 2 y's, always the smaller of the terms, because I couldn't pull 4 from both. I could only pull 2. So divide by 2, that leaves us with 5. Take out 2 y's, leaves me with y squared. Divide by 2 leaves me with 1. Take out both y's, so I'm just left with 1. That whole term. So 2y squared is what I actually pulled out. And this is what I would get when I factor out the greatest common factor. 2y